Hi there, it's Alistair here from starting a Shopify store from scratch. In the last video I tried to show you how to go and find images on Google, but for some reason I couldn't go out of the present Shopify window that I was in. So let's quickly go into Google Images and try and find ourselves an image for our store. I know I've already entered one there, but let's quickly go and see the process I followed to find the image. Let's quickly have a look for that. So let's now say I'm looking for an image about dog training. Like I said in my previous video, don't go and try and take copyrighted images. How you do that is you go in here under Tools, Usage Rights, and click on the ones that say labeled for reuse and choose that one. That will only then return copyright-free images. You can also then go and look at what size image you want and filter all the returned results by size. For our website, to make sure it's not pixelated, we want a large size image. So we go and click on large. And that then only returns decent size images we can use on our website. So like I said, I've already chosen one and I've added it to the Shopify store. I just wanted to show you the process of going into Google Images and finding it for yourself. Hope it makes sense. If you have any questions, let me know.